Hello, my name is Darren Dominic George, matrix number 07 DEE20F1049, and I am from class DEE4B. And our surname is Minor bin Simon, and the practical work topic is about sensor and actuator in robotic application. As we know, the objective of this lab is first is design a solar tracker. Second is write a program for solar tracker. And third is test circuit. As we know, the sensor is they can need information on the surrounding environment or the robot itself. Actuator is they produce an effect in the environment or the robot. So let's see our first circuit, which is this one, PW2, and I am using the Tinkercad software. So we see it here, and this is the PW2 part A. As usual, I'm using the Arduino, the server micro server, the photoresistor, two photoresistor, and two resistor 4.7 kilo ohm. And this is the code that I use. So let's start the simulation. Okay. So as we know, at here we can see if we the SLDR maximum light and West LDR dark. We can see at here this is LDR, SLDR maximum, and this is dark. So the server motor at here. Okay. This is for my part A. And then we go to my part 2, which is this one. This is my part 2. In my part 2, I'm using a dinner, the LCD 16 multiply with 2, two motor, and photoresistor. I use 4 photoresistor and 4, and I'm using 5 resistor, which is oops, okay, which is 10 kilo ohm and 220 ohm resistor I'm using. I saw using the push start button, and I'm using 2 potential meter. So this is the code that I'm using for this my part B, and I'm start the simulation, and this is my simulation. When I'm pull this to the maximum light and pull this to the maximum light, the server 1 will say 1 at 1 and the server 2 will say 166. So if I minimize this light, the dark, and then this I will put maximum, and this maximum, the servo motor will change, and that's all. And the conclusion that I get in this lab is, in conclusion, I learned how to draw a solar tracker circuit schematic and how to make ones. Apart from that, I have learned how to write and plan a coding based on the solar tracker I built. Following that, I learned how to test the simulation of the coding I had built. Finally, I discovered the necessity of a solar tracker in the experiment, which is a system that minimizes the solar system electricity generation by routing panel to following the sun throughout the day. And that's all from me. Thank you.